Hey there, my fellow fitness enthusiasts. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a game-changing product that is going to take your workout recovery to the next level. If you're tired of dealing with muscle soreness and the limitations it brings to your training, then you're going to love the electric EMS Muscle Stimulator Rechargeable Whole Body Massage Therapy Pain Relief Meridians Tool Adhesive Replacement Gel. This incredible device uses EMS, electrical muscle stimulation, technology to provide targeted and effective muscle therapy, helping to relieve pain, increase blood circulation, and promote faster recovery. Whether you're a professional athlete or just someone who loves to stay active, this tool is going to be a game changer for you. But what sets this product apart is its portability and rechargeable feature, making it convenient to use anytime, anywhere. No more dealing with bulky, expensive massage devices or having to schedule expensive sessions with a therapist. With this muscle stimulator, you can enjoy the benefits of a professional massage right in the comfort of your own home. Not only that, but this device is also easy to use, making it suitable for all fitness levels. With its adhesive replacement gel pads, you can target specific muscle groups and customize your therapy to meet your unique needs. Trust me when I say, once you start using this muscle stimulator, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. So, if you're ready to accelerate your recovery, maximize your performance, and take your fitness journey to the next level, then I highly recommend checking out the electric EMS Muscle Stimulator Rechargeable Whole Body Massage Therapy Pain Relief Meridians tool. You can find the link in the description below to get your hands on this game-changing product. Don't miss out on this opportunity to invest in your health and well-being, you won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing fitness tips and product reviews. Let's crush those fitness goals together.